Good evening and welcome to the Weather Center. Here's a look at our latest satellite picture where we still have this cold front controlling the weather across the southern parts of the country, where we have lots of rain-bearing clouds covering much of the western and eastern Cape provinces. Ahead of the cold front, we've been seeing pretty big storm systems popping up, particularly over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. We have less intense thunderstorms still developing over the central and northeastern parts of the country. So tonight we're going to have a good chance of rainy weather across the western and eastern Cape provinces. We are also expecting rain and thunder showers as we go further east into the eastern parts of Eastern Cape and parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Less intense thunder showers for the Free State, Northwest Gauteng and the Mpumalanga Highveld areas. It's going to be mostly fine for Limpopo and the central and western parts of the country. Then on Friday, we are going to have rain and thunder showers across much of eastern South Africa. The rainy weather is going to be confined mostly to the Eastern Cape coastal areas and much of KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to be mostly sunny and hot for the western half of the country. Up to a 60% chance of rain is forecast tonight along the south and the east coast and the adjacent interior. A 60% chance of thunderstorms is forecast for western KwaZulu-Natal. Then where you see the lighter shades of blue, we are expecting between a 20 and 40% chance of rain and thunder showers. So if you're in Durban tonight, there is a good chance of rainy weather setting in and persisting throughout the night, and overnight temperatures will drop from around 24 degrees this evening to 21 degrees on Friday morning. Now, talking of Friday morning, here's how most places are going to start off. It's going to be rather cool over the southern and western parts of the country, with most places seeing minimums in the lower to mid-teens. Rather chilly for Sutherland with a minimum of 9. 18 for your low temperature in Cape Town. A degree warmer as we go towards Kimberley and Bloemfontein as well as Johannesburg. It's going to be warm for Mahikeng, Pretoria and Richards Bay will drop to around 22 degrees. We are expecting afternoon temperatures to cool down over southeastern South Africa and parts of eastern South Africa. Durban and Richards Bay will peak at around 25, 35 for the high in Pretoria. It's going to be hotter as we go towards Mahikeng and Kimberley with highs around 37. A high of 38 is forecast for Upington. Cape Town will reach a warm 27 degrees. Looking ahead to your Saturday, it's going to be mostly sunny and hotter for western South Africa. Thunderstorms are forecast for the eastern half of the country. Light rain around East London. Then on Sunday, we stay with thunderstorms across the eastern areas. Rainy weather is forecast between George and East London. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your evening.